what's up? It's Amber Renae, and last week you voted and you wanted to hear about the #1 business trend that all small business owners should be utilizing in order to succeed. It's a free trend and it is a social media trend. And now what we're seeing is Facebook Live and live streaming video. It is so important for you if you're wanting to build authority or wanting to build influence or become a recognized personal brand, for you to really dial in on the power of videos, and in particular live streaming. So obviously you know that you can go live on your Facebook page. Did you know that you can live stream on Twitter, which is what I'm doing at the same time? You can live stream on Instagram and you can live stream on YouTube. And the best part is there is technology that will link all of these things up. So you can effectively go live to your entire audience all at the same time. Gary Vaynerchuk always says that television is becoming the radio and internet is becoming the TV. I mean, think about how you consume content these days. So when was the last time you sat down and watched the TV without watching something else on your phone at the same time? I'm gonna bet never. And even the next generation coming up, they will only consume content on their mobile phones or on their computers. What this means for you is that if you're a personal brand, if you're the face of your brand, if you're a consultant, a small business owner, you need to become confident in putting out highly valuable live streaming content if you want to stand out from the crowd. Why do I think it's going to be such a powerful thing? Well, think about the authority that it breeds whenever you see someone on live stream. It's a really great way to get your message clear, develop presentation skills, and also really dial in and become clear around your storytelling. Video is 600% more effective than direct mail. 83% of all consumers are more likely to buy a product after they watch a product video. By the end of this year, they're predicting that up to 3/4 of all consumer internet traffic will come from video. Think about how your purchasing decisions are made. So typically before you invest in someone new or in a new product, what you do is you go to their Instagram or you go to their social media channels, and then you cross on over to their website. If you're thinking about buying something from them, you start giving them, a bit of a stalk online, yeah? So you look at their website and you want to make sure that their social channels are the same and that there's a lot of congruency and consistency across the two. Then what happens is that you start looking for evidence that the purchase is going to be a real thing. So you want to make sure that the brand is legitimate. You want to make sure that the person behind the brand is legitimate, that what they're saying on their social media is matching up with what is going on in the real world. It's building that really important know, like, and trust factor with everyone that watches it, right? I mean, you're going, oh yeah, I've seen this girl on Instagram, yeah, I've been on her website, and now here she is in real life showing up, and all the messaging is the same. It's all consistent. And once you get that sort of behind the scenes feel, it sort of breaks down a lot of those buying barriers and your audience really gets to know you better. And when they know more, they buy more. If you're anything like me, you've probably been hiding behind your content. So this is definitely something that I am so guilty of. The thought of doing live stream videos actually totally freaks me out. And I knew that showing up in video each week was really going to supercharge that personal growth. And it was going to give me, not only huge connection with my audience, but it was also going to open up so many other avenues for me in terms of speaking and publicity. And it's already working. Every single week I do one of these live streams, and following the live stream, I have an onslaught of people contacting me, wanting to book me for speaking engagements. I did a tele summit last week. I have people wanting to buy my e-courses. It has a huge and immediate flow-on effect to my bottom line and to my business in general. The world has changed, and so must you. No longer is it okay to hide behind our social channels and expect that people are going to find us and meet us and connect with us. So the most powerful way for people to connect with you is by showing up live, either at a live event or in a live stream video, and letting people connect with you, the person behind the brand. So I'm going to leave you with a little challenge for the week ahead. I want you to go live. I want you to turn on your Facebook app and go live. If you're a small business owner, if you're a coach, if you are wanting to develop authority, if you're wanting to become an influencer in your niche, this is the quickest and easiest way to do it. Give it a go and see how it feels. Get used to the platform. Lots of love. Have an awesome week. Stay stylish. See you. Bye.